Chicken, chicken, chicken.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, I'm so good. I missed you. I look cute.
Yeah.
Forget the copay. He's the only therapist I trust.
Yeah.
Shut up. Quiet. Shut up. Shut up. Be quiet.
Against your plan.
3.
Hold the one pill power.
The blanket monster ate my human. Send help, please.
Cancel your cold. It's new Advil multi-symptom cold and flu.
Simon. What do you mean what? What do you mean? What?
Put it down. Charlie Sue.
Imagine having this sassy guy as your lawyer. Good luck.
How you think that? Hey, yeah, yes you will. I will put you in that case. Yeah, you better leave it alone.
Give a kiss.
Say thank you.
When it comes to the mayor's election, vote for this friendly one.
Hello. Hello.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
Who needs fancy toys and games when you have this feathery playmate?
Yes.
Hi. 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 Oh my God.
Hey, Casper.
Where can I download this parrot's laugh track?
To get to the other side.
I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
You have a good day. You have a good day, Moby.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Any hair care brand would love to have her.
2, 3.
Looks like this bird was a former soldier.
You okay? You okay? You okay? You okay?
Even when you know the bird can talk, someone gives him a microphone and a speaker. His voice needs to be heard.
Ooh, can you kiss me? Kiss me, please. Can I have a kiss? Thank you.
Are you done?
Sassy me when my bestie came back to their ex.
I told you to be nice. What? I didn't throw anything away. I didn't throw your toy away. I didn't throw your toy away. I don't know where you put it.
It's so funny that many parrot species do not recognize themselves in reflections.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hello.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Come here, Paco.
Bow, 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 bow.
Someone call a record label immediately.
Hey.
What? You can't go outside. You can't fly. Yeah, no, you can't. You don't know how. You can't fly.
Hey, come here. Come here. I gotta tell you something.
Hi, Oscar. Hi, Oscar.
You're Oscar.
Hi.
Haters say parrots can mimic pitch and sound only. Look. I wish I could be this smooth in dating.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Harley. Hello. Hi. 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 Huh?
No. No.
Pay up for your kissing loan, woman. I'm demanding.
Kiss a kiss. Kiss a kiss.
Not much. What are you doing?
The pup clearly accepted the small, loud roommate.
I have a question for you. What do birds give out on Halloween? Twigs and treats.
When I ask God to send me someone who is obsessed with me,
Thank you.
he's letting Peter know how many times you're late feeding him.
Bye.
His favorite song just came on the radio. Needs a tiny disco ball stat.
kroky. Budeme beatovat.
Hope these talkers made you laugh. If they did, please like and subscribe for more amazing animal videos. See you soon!